TC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
Just an absolutely fantastic day across Acadiana. Plenty of sunshine. Hopefully you were able to get out there and soak up a little bit of that sunshine, because clouds will be returning later tonight and into our Wednesday before showers and storms move back into Acadiana by Thursday, and some of those could be on the strong to severe side. Taking a look outside, you can see just plenty of sunshine for this Tuesday. That sun peeking through the leaves on the trees as now that we move deeper into April, starting to see a little bit more of those leaves popping up on the vegetation across Acadiana with the warmer temperatures. Justin Terrell got this beautiful shot out there today, but we'll go into the big picture now, what's going on across the country. The showers and storms we had last night are now working their way off the East Coast and turning into a little bit of a powerful system. Very gusty winds across some of those locations out towards the Cape Hatteras region of North Carolina. That'll work up into New York and Boston later on this evening, and then our next storm system's developing back over here into the west, and that'll be heading towards our way, bringing us the chance for those showers and storms on Thursday. In the meantime, we're just starting to see some high-level clouds working across Acadiana within the last couple hours, and that should create some beautiful sunsets this evening in the next hour or so. So hopefully you can get outside and see that with those clouds working in. Clouds will continue to thicken through the rest of this evening, and then they'll be with us for our Wednesday. So here we go. Very cool night with mainly clear skies, although we will have some of those high-level clouds. Temperatures get down into the 40s tomorrow morning, so jackets out the door. But like today, we'll get into the mid-70s, and with that southerly flow picking up, it's going to feel very comfortable to be outside for our Wednesday. You do see those high to mid-level clouds working in across Acadiana tomorrow afternoon. By Thursday, though, we'll begin to see the changes. A warm front will lift out of the Gulf of Mexico, increasing our moisture, and that'll begin to get some of those scattered showers and even a few thunderstorms to develop first thing in the morning. You can see some of those isolated cells in and around Acadiana. Those are the ones that could be on the strong to severe side, as we have those darker shades, and those look to be those supercell type thunderstorms. So that's why we have the possibility for severe weather beginning first thing in the morning and then continuing into the afternoon. This is now lunchtime. You see the storms beginning to lift north of the interstate. Better chance Lafayette up towards Alexandria, also over into Mississippi. You'll have the chance for those storms, and then pushing even into the afternoon. We'll still have to watch for it. So not going to be a washout for our Thursday, but we will have a good chance for at least scattered showers and thunderstorms on again, off again throughout the day. Even into the evening, as a cold front then begins to work in, we'll have the chance for a few showers and storms to push into Acadiana. And with these, some of them could produce heavy downpours, producing anywhere from a ½ inch to an inch of rain at a time. Things, though, should be clearing out as the front kind of dissipates into our Friday, and even the sky should begin to clear up some sunshine and temperatures back into the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. But as mentioned, it's all about that severe weather threat Thursday afternoon. Slight risk interstate on northward. I do think up towards Monroe, the Shreveport, and Alexandria, better chance to see the severe weather, but we won't rule out the possibility here in Acadiana. Gusty winds, large hail, and even a few isolated tornadoes cannot be ruled out. Down along the Gulf Coast, a little lower chance. We'll just go marginal risk for some of that, but it does look like the main threat looks to be north of the interstate. But make sure you do have the KTC weather app or some form to get those weather alerts as they might be issued as those storms begin to develop Thursday morning and into the afternoon. Here's a look at the rainfall totals with that system, and you can see right now still very hit or miss, but you could get some heavy downpours, maybe 1 to 1.5 inches here in Lafayette. You do see the purples and reds showing up off to the east. Those are where you could get 2 to 3 inches of rain. So these will produce very heavy downpours if you get some of those stronger storms to move over your communities. And big picture with this, if some of those storms move over our way, that could bring in maybe the flash flood potential for us. But we are relatively dry right now, so we could use a good bit of rain. I know especially the farmers are expecting to try and get some of this rain to move over top of us and give us a good soaking of rain by Thursday, and then another chance into the weekend. But for the rest of this evening, we'll call it another cool night, as we will be below average for this time of year, getting down into around the mid-40s. We should only get down into the mid-50s. Clouds will be moving in a little later on through midnight towards tomorrow morning. Looking to be a great April day for our Wednesday. Mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures where they should be in the mid-70s. But as mentioned, winds starting to turn a little bit more east-south easterly, so humidity levels will start to creep up a little bit. That produces the showers and storms on Thursday. Break Friday and Saturday, although we will keep slight rain chances with temperatures in the 80s. So So if you have weekend plans, Saturday will be the better day to do it as more storms arrive on Sunday. And then into next week, we do look to dry out, but staying spring-like with temperatures into the 80s. But it's all about Thursday. You know, we haven't had a severe weather event in quite a while, and it does look like we could have the possibility Thursday. So just make sure you're staying weather aware.
We'll stay weather aware. Good advice there, Eric.